So hey guys, welcome again to our channel Being Up to Date. So today I am going to deliver lecturate on Indo-US relations. So let's start the video. So talking about Indo-US relations, USA was the supporter of India's independence from the time of World War II. USA saw India more diplomatically valuable than Pakistan. But because of India's non-alignment policy, USA started developing relations with Pakistan. Still, for a dozen of years, we got support from USA in our every worst situation. But after US President John Kennedy during 1961, our relations with USA got deteriorated exponentially. But India moves ahead with the development. And not talking about defense agreements, we already signed LEMOA and COMCASA defense agreements. And further recently in 2+2 dialogue meeting, we also signed BICA and ISA agreement as well, so that we can defeat our enemies very easily if situation occurs. Here government of India needs to encourage the private sector on defense area so that we can fully exhaust all of our defense agreements done with USA. India and US relations have been through constant ups and downs, and there have been always positive and negative sides for India, irrespective of the US president in power. However, in 2006, Joe Biden had announced that it is his dream that in 2020, India and US will become the closest nations in the world. But now Biden shows disappointment of India's steps towards NRC and scrapping of Article 370. During COVID-19 crisis, also both the countries supported each other. India exported huge amount of hydroxychloroquine, whereas America also supplied ventilators to India. Although we believe that Joe Biden will play a key role in strengthening our relations with USA. And in this way, we can counter the common threat China. Though there are many merits of being close to USA, we should not forget Russia's contribution right from the time of independence. And also, we are in good terms with Iran, and Iran was supplying oils to us at cheaper rates. India, as said earlier, that we will only take UN sanctions seriously. So we should firm on this stand of ours and work out same way with the USA to continue our relations with Iran, which would also not make us look weak on international platform. So that's all for today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.